Hello everyone, guys. Today we will discuss the log-based protocols. So we will discuss very first topic under the log-based protocols, which is granularity of logs. So let's discuss what is exactly the granularity of logs. It says the level and the type of information that the logs protects is called the logging granularity or the granularity of logs. So the level, at which level or the information or the type of information we are putting the logs is known as the logging granularity. Okay guys, so main is the level, at which level we are putting these logs. So, or we can say that in the other word, the size of data items, okay, the size of data items that the data manager logs is called a logging granularity. Also the amount of data or the size of the data also says that it is a logging granularity. So three things comes here. The first, the level, the type of information, and the size of the data item we are putting logs on, that is known as the logging granularity. Okay guys, so let's discuss what are the difference logging are here. So logging can occur in the following levels. So we will discuss these are the different levels. They are the three levels here. First is coarse granularity, second is fine granularity, and the third is intermediate granularity. So we will discuss one by one. First is coarse granularity. What is exactly that? It logs on table, files, and the database. That means it may log on complete table, on complete database, as well as some other files also there. So the level is the amount of the data is big here, because we are talking about a database or complete table. That means a big data size are we are logging on. So it is known as a coarse granularity. What are the points comes under is that it reduces the number of transactions to be executed. It reduces the number of transactions. Why? Because if I log on the complete database or a complete table, and suppose other transaction want to access this database or this table, that means they have to wait there for the log to be released. So that why that it reduces the number of transactions to be executed. If the number of transactions get become reduced, then what will happen? We have low throughput. That means it reduces the throughput here because the number of transactions get reduced. Then it increase the response time. That means one transaction will be completed, or we will say the more transaction will complete it, it will take the more time to be executed. It will decrease the low concurrency. That means the concurrency level will be decreased there. Okay guys. The second is the fine granularity, where which logs on records or fields. It's talk about that logging on the data of the table. That means we are logging on some data or some column also on columns. That means it is fine. That means we are putting logs on some small amount of data. Much log overhead. It increases the log overhead. That means we have to select this data item, this column, this column, this column, this data item. That means we have to think more about the logging on the logging on the records and the fields. But there we are just looking on the complete database, but here we are looking on some particular data item log on the some fields. So it increases the log overhead here. After looking after the much log overhead, it increases the high concurrency, because we are not looking the complete table or complete database. That means if we are looking some column, okay guys, it's fine, but other transactions, to those who do not require to access that columns or field, can access the other columns as well. So it will be much high concurrency at this level. Okay, so it will have the high concurrency as compared to this level. After, if there is a high concurrency, that means there is a high throughput, response time will be less, and there will be less average waiting time also. Okay guys. But because in some part we do not require the coarse granularity, or in some part we do not require the fine granularity, because it depends on the use of the database. So we take some intermediate granularity, which is the middle part of, we can say the middle solution of this granularity, which is intermediate granularity. Logs on pages which are of fixed sizes like 4 KB, 8 KB, and 6 KB, 16 KB. It may be that. Intermediate granularity says that we here logs on the pages which are of the fixed size. Pages are of fixed size, which may be 4 KB, 8 KB, 16 KB, maybe 2 KB, 1 KB, whatever, but it always be the fixed size. Okay guys, what are basically the pages are? Let's discuss. A table may span into several pages. we divide a table into a pages. Okay guys, or the table means if we are using, suppose a page may contain several rows of a table or a more table. That means suppose we are using a union command or we are using the join SQL command, then the result will come from the 2 or more tables. Then the resulted table will be spanned into the several pages. That means the resulted page, we will divide that table into the many pages of fixed sizes, and which may contains rows and may contains the rows from one table or more table. That's why we are saying that maybe that resulted table will be a table or a more table. Okay, so we will use this locking on the pages or some disk part of the disk or on blocks of the disk maybe. So it gives moderate concurrency and a moderate lock overhead. If we are using the intermediate granularity, it will give the moderate concurrency, the middle concurrency level, and the middle moderate lock overhead. So guys, so this is all about the granularity of logs. In the next video we will discuss the types of logs which we are going to use in the log based protocols. Okay, so types of logs, not the log based types of log based protocol. I am talking about only the types of logs, not the types of log based protocol. Both are the different things. Sometimes student makes mistakes while in examination, so please be careful. Okay guys, so we will discuss the types of logs in the next video. And the guys, video is helping you, please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you and take care.